you want to find original solutions, you have to start by asking unconventional questions. Like not just what an engine oil should do, but what it could do. And that's exactly what the innovators at Valvoline do every day. They ask, not just what's needed, but what's possible. Introducing the first engine oil that returns pistons to factory clean. Restore and protect, another first from Valvoline. Other synthetics that claim to clean your engine simply capture carbon from the combustion process, but Restore and Protect does even more. You see, as soon as an engine is cranked for the first time, critical parts of your engine are building up deposits, accelerating aging and reducing its life. But Restore and Protect actively cleans engines, making it the only engine oil that can help return pistons to factory clean conditions again and again. That's right, it resets it, removing up to 99% of deposits with continuous use.
To achieve this, Restore and Protect features 2 new breakthrough innovations:
Active Clean technology that actively removes damaging deposits, and Liquid Shield, engineered to protect engine surfaces against future deposit formation. How do we know? We tested it and proved it in our engine lab. We ran it through the toughest conditions, and all the data showed fewer deposits, less varnish, and results no other engine oil could produce. It literally turns back the clock on every surface engine oil is designed to protect. Plus, this full synthetic provides 79% greater wear protection versus industry standards. Yeah, we did that. It's the biggest thing to happen to engine oil since we invented it. All new Restore and Protect, another first from Valvoline.